you stop talking and fix the sewer?
Everyone's watching to see what you do. Everyone's looking at you. Oh.
You're on it now. Yeah, yeah. Traffic, traffic. No more traffic.
Wait a sec! Here we go!
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby! Woo! 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 You look a little pale there, pal. Let me fix that. Oh, look at you now. You're all yellow from the scurvy. Arr, Captain. Don't get the Hulk angry. You won't like him when he's angry. Oh, there's Barney. I love you, you love me. That jogger had giant boobies. Okay, let's get you that tan you've been searching for. That's it. That's it. Check out Julio Iglesias. Mwah, pretty.
Looking good, Mr. Newman.
Really? Thank you very much, Judy.
Finish?
Did I finish? I believe I finished. Let's see here. Look at that.
Very impressive, Michael.
Yeah, the river in the lobby. It's actually pretty good, man.
Where'd you find the time to get a 10?
I guess I can do it all, sir.
You can do it all.
All right, everybody. It's Sexual Harassment Speech Day. Now, anyone can be a victim of sexual harassment. Blue collar, white collar, a woman, a man, even the office slut. No, not that I'm mentioning any names. Stacy. Here we go. Sexual harassment can come in many forms. You see, what is
hilarious to some could be offensive to others. Let me try to give you a real-life example, because I'm sure I've done it. Like the day I said,
You want a promotion? Break out the lotion. I was technically engaged in sexual harassment. Hilarious sexual harassment, if you ask me.
Now, there is also homosexual harassment. Now, this is like when one dude comes up to another and says something cheeky. No, this will be good. What you do in the private...
En sus propios dormitorios o en algún baño público. A mí no me importa.
¡Oigan esto!
¿Problema, Miguel?
¡No! ¡Proceda! Usted realmente es el profesor fabuloso. Oh, ¿ahora qué estoy haciendo?
¿Pues qué?
Oh, nada. Yo...
Proceed.
I don't know about you Americans, but to me, there is no doubt. Ichiro is the greatest of all time.
Incredible. You gotta admit, you can always count on Matsui.
Matsui.
Well, if you guys love Ichiro and Matsui so much, let's order them both. I'll eat anything.
Excuse us for a moment.
Absolutely, Mr. Watsy.
See you guys in a bit. Ichiro and Matsui are baseball players. You just insulted their national heroes.
I'm going to the bathroom to slit my wrists.
I'll be here.
These morons are so boring, they make me want to take a sword and chop my own dick off.
And that hotel design? I'd like to rip it up. I think that egghead watched a bad documentary on Asian architecture.
Who needs a stupid river in the lobby? Let's build more rooms and maximize profits.
Eat as fast as you can. Then we can get out of here and do jello shots at America's greatest cultural achievement. TGI Fridays!
TGI Fridays!
All right, Michael. Save us. Come on over, baby.
before we order, I was looking at our proposal. You know what? After getting to know you a little bit, I realized this is not what you're all about. In fact, let's just throw it out, all right? Start from scratch. The river in the lobby idea, what an egghead move. Let's just keep all the plans simple, forget all the niceties, and maximize our revenue. That's what it's all about anyways, the profits. But do me a favor, just give us your account and your trust. That way we can get the hell out of this dump, go to a TGI Fridays, do some Jell-O shots till this guy pukes up a lung. Fuck yeah!
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes. The king is home. Hello. How can you goons sleep when you know I got your presents?
You did? What is it?
What is it? Well, if you bring your tushies downstairs, we'll find out.
I'm coming.
Honey, get your sweet little buns downstairs too. Come on. Come and get them.
Awesome! No way!
Yeah.
That could cost $1 million.
That's chump change now. You guys deserve the best, and that's what you're gonna get from now on, okay?
What's all this?
Well, look who's here. Hey, you guys wanna ride these bikes?
Yeah!
Let's take them outside. Wake the O'Doyles. Let them see what you got.
Woo! These are the coolest bikes in the whole town. Captain O'Doyle's gonna shit himself.
Don't think I forgot my beautiful wife. Huh? Not a bike or a cowboy hat, but you're gonna like this, I hope.
Oh, Michael, it's
Yeah,
beautiful.
I heard you talking to my mother.
I love it.
You look good, baby. I got myself a celebratory cigar, too. Why not?
What are we celebrating?
What are we celebrating? We're healthy. We got a great family. I'm Amy's newest partner.
Oh my God, you're kidding!
I knew you'd be psyched. I love it. I love you. I single-handedly landed the Watsahita account.
Oh, that's incredible. I knew it was going to be a great day today. I heard our song on the radio this morning.
We have a song?
Honey, the song that was playing during our first kiss.
Oh.
Come on, you're kidding me, right?
I know our song. Our song. Of course I know our song. Our song is... What the hell was that song? I remember this place. And, oh my God. Wolverine's goofy cousin. But look at you. Wow. You are out of his league, aren't you? Oh yeah, the notes. Smooth, buddy. Oh. Oh, look at her. What's gonna happen? You got an answer to that? Hey. Okay. Seal the deal, pal. Yeah. All she's thinking about is I am not kissing that beard. Absolutely not. That's gonna hurt me. Wait a minute. Oh. Yeah, Newman. Get it. Yeah. You know I'm such a fool for you.
Donna! Donna! Oh my God! I'm so horny now!
Oh, God, I'm not. Get me out of here. Linger by the Cranberries was playing during our first juicy kiss. And my God, you look beautiful in that pink sweater you're wearing.
Honey, you remember what I was wearing?
Of course, I remember what Janine was wearing. She scared the shit out of me then. Huh? I love you.
I love you too, honey.
Yeah.